In today's skill video, I'm going to show you how to cook quinoa into lovely, nice, fluffy pieces. First of all, you get your quinoa and you pop it into a saucepan. This is a really simple method to cook it. You don't need to worry too much about measuring it. We're going to cover it well in water. We will be rinsing it afterwards. And we're going to pop that on and leave it to simmer for about 12 minutes. So the quinoa has now been simmering for about 12 minutes. You can see it's starting to sprout little tails and there's a tiny little dot still left in the centre. Now we're going to rinse it and dry it off. So now we've rinsed all of the quinoa really well in cold water. Get rid of the excess water and then we're going to dry it on the worktop. The trick to this is using lots of kitchen paper. So you're going to tap the strainer onto the kitchen paper until it's dry. So there you have light, fluffy quinoa that you can add lots of things to make a delicious salad with. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and please leave your comments below. And why not check out some other skills videos like making kefir ice pops or recipes like making omelette. Thanks for watching. See you soon.